Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies across the region this morning, seeing a little bit of fairly cumulus cloud development as well. And we're seeing those humid and warm conditions this morning. That's going to be the case for much of the day today, seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for highs. We'll see a good chance of some showers and thunderstorms moving through for this evening. And we'll see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm across the area this afternoon. Most likely won't see it. Only run about a 20% chance of that pop-up shower or thunderstorm. So in general, for the daytime hour and the work hours today, good conditions other than the humid and warm weather we're expecting. Taking a look at the radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have a little bit of shower activity well off the coast, seeing some weak cumulus field developing right around Princess Anne, and we'll continue to monitor that to see if we should see any more development of those cumulus as they move towards the region for late this morning to early afternoon hours. I mentioned a slight chance, a very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm this afternoon. And taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,200 feet, winds out of the west and the low levels around 15 knots and increasing with height and becoming more southwesterly up to 41 knots at 25,000 feet out of the southwest. Our current surface analysis, we do have a cold front. It's going to be moving through the floor today into the evening hours. That's going to give us our best chance of thunderstorms during the evening hours today. And with that, we'll see a Canadian high pressure build in for tomorrow into the rest of the week with some beautiful weather for the middle to late August with low dew points, temperatures in the 70s for daytime highs and morning lows in the 50s. So unseasonably cool for the rest of the week. But overall, for today, we're going to take a look at our satellite imagery real quick. You can see that cumulus field developing right around Princess Anne and seeing a little bit of height development to those across the region. But overall, not really expecting that shower and thunderstorm chances to increase significantly until later this evening with this cold front moving through. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity currently across the western portion of Virginia into eastern portion of West Virginia this morning, and that's going to be approaching our region for this evening. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, this is at noon today, and then you can see here around 2 to 3 o'clock developing some showers, thunderstorms along the northern beaches of Maryland, but overall here at Wallops should be remaining dry. And then moving into the late afternoon and evening hours, could see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm across the central portion of the Delmarva around 5 to 6 o'clock. And then the chances really increase thereafter with looks like a line of broken showers and thunderstorms across central Virginia moving towards the region for this evening. And our best chances, as I mentioned, looks like during the evening hours, very similar to last night, right around 7 to 8 o'clock, looks like showers and thunderstorms through the region and then moving off the coast and clearing out after midnight. And taking a look at the European model in the next few days, you can see the shower and thunderstorm chances on the Euro for today. And then that Canadian high builds in for the rest of the week, ushering in drier and cooler weather across the region, seeing a possible record low on Wednesday morning, a possible record cool maximum for our Wednesday afternoon. So some unseasonably cool temperatures across the region, and we'll continue to see good conditions across the area throughout the rest of the week, possibly not seeing any precipitation whatsoever, and mainly partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Possibility of seeing a weak shortwave or a disturbance move through the region on Sunday could give us a shower or thunderstorm late Sunday, but right now, being about 7 days out. We'll continue to monitor that and update as we get closer to that day. As we move into our risk chart for today, we'll see a 40% chance of thunderstorms between 1,800 and 22 local. We'll see a 20% chance and bookending that higher chance, 20% between 14 and 18, and as well between 22 and midnight. We'll see our high today around 86, low tonight of 65. We'll see westerly to southwesterly winds today, fairly light in general, southwest at 7-12 knots this afternoon. And once that cold front does move through for later this evening and those thunderstorms move off the coast, we'll see our winds become more north-northwesterly, 7-12 knots, and gusting as high as 18 knots with some post-frontal cold air advection. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we should see VFR conditions unless we have that shower thunderstorm overhead today, and our best chance is seeing thunderstorms, as I mentioned, would come between 18 and 2,200 local this evening. Our tides are running slightly above normal this time, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, as I mentioned, we'll see those cooler conditions, a taste of fall across the region. Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and less humid, a high of 79 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear, unseasonably cool temperatures expected, a low of 55. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy and pleasant, unseasonably cooler and less humid, continuing with a high of only 76. So next 7 days, you can see here, best chance of rainfall comes this evening. into the early overnight hours, and then we stay dry through Sunday. Partly cloudy conditions each of those days. Temperatures in the 70s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then lower 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So some beautiful August weather in store. Those overnight lows will be in the 50s for Wednesday morning as well as Thursday morning, and then still seeing those overnight lows in the lower to mid 60s for Friday and Saturday morning. So looking after this cold front moves through, some really nice August weather in store across our region. Fairly atypical for how we have seen the seasonal pattern the last few years, August being fairly hot and humid. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.